This is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Baja ceiling fan in one of my grandparents' house. Yes, I have way too. I have like 4 different sets of grandparents, and here we go on low speed.
So I don't usually cut potatoes. I cut avocado, I cut carbonite, I cut, yeah.
And this is a really nice one.
Celery. I'm really good at cutting, stuff.
I know most people hate the ceiling fan because it doesn't really blow any air,
I just need my knife.
and it's still nice.
Well, it's not my own, it's our family's, it's mine. So I don't like using other ones. Some of the other ones are too big, some of the other ones are too small. I have a really good one to use. It works. I have like 2 knives right here.
And can turn it to medium now. And I really would hope that the ceiling fan is it'd be great if the ceiling fan was still being sold today, but fortunately it's discontinued. Like most nice looking Harbor Breeze ceiling fans, it's always all the best looking ones that get discontinued. And now for
Is there another one that's like, we gotta get it for dicing it? No, okay, this one's kind of hard.
This would be the only one that's going to be bigger than this one. Be careful.
I know this thing is not fast
It's easier to dice.
at all, although it's wobbling a lot on high speed. I'll go turn back to medium because that's where it originally was. This is a huge childhood fan for me. Oh, and by the way, here's the Harbor Breeze logo, and here it is. There's the light on. I don't know why I didn't show that on before. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video.